In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a new partition on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make a right click at the start button and open File Explorer. Click on this PC. So here in my Windows, I have only two drives. I have the Windows C drive and I have the Google E drive. So what we can do is we are going to create a new drive. Okay, that is from the Windows C drive. So what we can do is we need to make a right click on this PC, and here we have to select show more options and click on manage. Okay, maximize the computer management window, and here you'll find this option disk management. Double click. So once you find the disk management or open the disk management window, here you'll find the Windows C drive. Okay, once you find the Windows C drive, you need to make a right click and then select shrink volume. Now wait for this process. This will querying shrink space. Then you have to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So we're going to go with almost 10 gigabytes. So let's type 10,000 because 1 MB or 10 gigabytes that is around 10,000 MB. Okay, 10 gigabytes that is around 10,000 MB. So here we have to click on shrink. And now we have created this almost 10 gigabytes unallocated space. So with this unallocated space, we are going to create the new drive. So make a right click and then select new simple volume. Click on next. Do not make any changes from here. Click on next. Then you have to assign the drive letter for the new drive. Click on the drop down and choose the drive letter. Let me just go with D. Click on next. For the file system, that should be NTFS allocation unit size by default. Volume label, you can simply change this to any level that you want. And you have to check this option, perform a quick format, and click on next. Click on finish. And now we have created a new drive, this new volume. And now if I'm going to close this computer management window, we have now this new drive, which is the new volume D drive, which has the 9.76 total size or gigabytes. Okay. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.